So, teaching a man to fish moment, teaching him how to change the air filter on his car. This is a Hyundai i20, 2015, but it's basically the first gen. It's a manual. We need to lift, there you go, 2 clips on the front. Lift it up, there's 2 tabs in the back that have to be pulled forward. Yep, they're out. And that's it. Now you can reach in and pull your air filter out. And that has not been done for a while. That used to be white. In the bin. Okay, now you got to clean out any dirt that's in the box. So have a, that pops off. Have a look in. Any sand in there? Yeah, we'll get a cloth and we'll just wipe that out and then make sure there's no leaves or anything in there. So that is nice and clean, all vacuumed out, and it's time to put the air filter in. So same way, goes in the same way it came out. You just want to make sure it's sitting flush and flat. Yep, that's it. Nice and easy. And we're going to get the cover. So you get the tabs in the back first. And then you can snap on the 2 clips in the front. If it's not going, it means the tabs aren't in properly. There you go, clip, clip, and then make sure your intake, slide that back on, and it goes right up. That's it, right up. That's it, that is the air filter changed on the Hyundai i20.